Pertusio, the shout-out app for industries, businesses, and services.
Why healthcare is important to our society? There is no doubt that healthcare is one of the most vital components of any civilization, and it is especially true in developed countries. As the saying goes, a healthy society is a prosperous society. Societies would struggle to survive if they did not have a well-functioning healthcare system. Healthcare is defined as a vast field that is concerned with delivering medical treatment to persons with the objective of maintaining and restoring the total health and well-being of the people who are receiving it. Healthcare is a critical pillar of society, as healthy populations are more productive and live for longer periods of time than unhealthy populations. It is for this reason that countries spend trillions of dollars each year on providing healthcare to their citizens. The healthcare needs of a society are constantly growing and changing, and it is the government's job to put measures in place to meet these changing requirements. The current healthcare needs of people in diverse civilizations around the world are substantially different from the healthcare needs of individuals in previous generations. Even in the current times in which we live, our healthcare requirements are always evolving. One of the most important improvements has been the advancement of healthcare systems and services, which has been made possible by technological advances. A well-functioning healthcare system is now more crucial than ever, given the world population's continued growth at a pace of 1.2% each year. What is the function of healthcare in a country's overall development? Diagnostic tests, preventive care, emergency care, sickness treatment, nutritional support, laboratory services, labor and delivery services, and a variety of other services are available through the healthcare system. Experiencing illnesses or being involved in an accident is unavoidable and must occur at some point in our life. So it is clear that healthcare is a necessary component of any society's overall infrastructure. Specialists such as physicians, dentists, midwives, ophthalmologists, pharmacists, nurses, and others are responsible for the provision of healthcare. One of the most important obligations of governments is to ensure that its population have access to high-quality healthcare. As a result, the quality of a society's healthcare system is one of the variables that determines the effectiveness of the government in a given country's governance. Different countries have implemented a variety of healthcare policies, which explains why healthcare systems and services differ from one another. Developed countries such as France and the United States, in contrast to many poor countries, have the most advanced healthcare systems. Other difficulties need the hiring of experienced healthcare professionals to serve as hospital administrators and executives. Technological advancements are occurring at a rapid pace, and it is necessary to keep up with them through changes in policy and the administration of information systems. More healthcare workers are required around the world. Furthermore, the healthcare profession has the ability to significantly reward individuals based on the quality of services they provide. A health officer has the potential to make a significant difference in the lives of people in their community or throughout the country. Generally speaking, there is a clear association between a country's economy and the quality of its healthcare system. A well-functioning healthcare system results in a healthier population, which in turn leads to a more prosperous economy. There are various types of healthcare. Listed below are the 3 types of healthcare services: primary healthcare, secondary healthcare, and tertiary healthcare are all available. This sort of healthcare is concerned with the provision of routine medical treatment to patients by healthcare workers on a day-to-day basis. The fundamental goal of primary care is to provide patients with frequent physical exams and screenings, with healthcare providers serving as the first point of contact between them and the healthcare system. Secondary care, also known as specialty care, is a type of healthcare that includes treatments delivered by healthcare specialists such as cardiologists, dermatologists, urologists, and other medical professionals. Tertiary care, also known as specialized consultative healthcare, is designed to give advanced screening and treatment to individuals who have been referred by primary and secondary healthcare providers for advanced screening and treatment options. Good healthcare experts are in high demand all across the world at the present time. In addition, they will be well compensated for the high level of service they provide. They can achieve anything they set their minds to. Because of the changes in technology and our way of life, healthcare should become a trend. This has resulted in changes in the healthcare system as well as an increase in the average lifetime. The future of healthcare is more promising than it has ever been. Consider the following 5 reasons why healthcare should become a popular topic of conversation. Healthcare systems, without a doubt, are critical to the functioning of a society. In order to assure a healthy population, countries must make significant investments in healthcare, which will result in a robust economy over time. Conclusion: the devotion and excellence of qualified medical professionals will determine the direction of the healthcare sector in the future. The economy is reliant on healthcare because people cannot survive if they do not have access to adequate medical treatment. Extending human life expectancy and making technical improvements can only be possible if medical practitioners are equipped with the appropriate knowledge and mindset.
If you've enjoyed watching this video, then give this video a like and share with a friend. Also click on the subscribe button below to be notified as new videos are released.